Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. So in today's video, I want to share with you my experience of using silicone scar sheets for my keloid scar. So a few months ago, I fell down from hiking and then I developed a keloid scar, and then the keloid scar is not painful, but it's kind of annoying because it's ugly like this. And then I ignored this scar for around 3 months. I thought the scar is going to disappear by itself, but it doesn't. So I researched on the internet and then I found out this product. I bought this for around $8, and for $8 I got 1 meter of silicone sheets, and it claims to flatten the scar. I'm not sure if this one can make the scar go completely gone, but I just want to see if it can improve the look of the scar. So anyways, this silicone sheets, you can reuse it a few times. After you use this, you can wash and then dry and then you can use it again. Personally, I use this for days without washing because I use this after I take a shower, so the so is supposed to be clean. Anyways, I try to wash this one, but personally it looks wonky and ugly, so I throw it away. And then usually after 5 days the shape is already ugly, so I prefer to throw it away instead of washing. But you still can re-wash if you don't mind the ugly shape. Anyways, after 5 days the sticky part is still sticky, so it will not fall off. Anyways, I already used this for 3 weeks and this is my scar now. This is day 21. So this is my scar during week 1. So during week 1 the scar is very dark and quite protruding. I try to use this for around 12 hours a day every day. So if you see closely right there, there are the bigger keloid and there are the smaller keloid. For the smaller part, it flattens quickly, so after 1 day of use, I can tell the surface is flatter and not as protruding before I use the sheets. But for the bigger part, it's a little bit hard to flatten that because the scar is quite big already. So yeah, anyways, this is how the scar looks during week 1. After week 1, which is week 2, I see quite a good improvement. So after week 2, I think the color is less dark and the shape is less protruding, so the shape is a little bit flatter, even the bigger part of the keloid. And then this is how it looks during week 3. Honestly, from week 2 to week 3 it doesn't have a lot of change, but I think I need to use this for around 1 month to 3 months to see the actual result. I think the scar will not disappear completely. I kind of accept the fact already, but there is no harm trying. So yeah, anyways, I still have a lot left. I want to finish this and then I'll see if the keloid improve. So yeah, anyway, so far when I use this silicone sheets, it doesn't feel uncomfortable. So after I stick this to to my legs, I can go for many hours without feeling itchy or painful or anything. It just feels like sticker. So yeah, anyways, this is my used silicone sheet. This one I already reused for 2 days. As you can see, the shape is still in good condition, and the sheet is still sticky. Usually I do this. I take off the sheet and then I stick it to my keloid. And then I just leave this until the next day. So yeah, anyways, I think that's it about my experience. So far the change is not that big, but it does have changed. Maybe I should be a little bit patient when using this keloid scar. I do see myself repurchasing this again, but maybe I should lower my expectation. I don't think the scar will be gone completely. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. I hope the video is useful. I'll see you guys again in my next post. Bye bye.